Ariano! Mina igame namhlanje ngiyibonile akukho engaphawula ngakho ngegame niyibone kanjani igame akusikho lobe kunukufuna lokho amen Bobut ngicela ukukhuluma ngicela nje ninginike 1 minute ne khona basafuna ukukhuluma emva kwami Bobut mina ngizonitshela namanje ayikho into enhle nemnandi ukuthi ungasupport iPirates bonke abalandeli bePirates baphume ba happy la into esilethe lana ne khona bebakhuluma wrong bathi thina so number 1 hawu phela mamela mama ngikutshela phela hayi ukuthi mabaqale bafake RDP kuwe angeke ifike kimi uyazizwa ukuthi ngithini hayi ukuthi mabaqale bafake RDP kini kimi njengoba kugcwele imkhukha angeke ifike yifikile RDP kimi namhlanje nina 32 point le 32 point le ngifuna ukumangaza abalala ngifuna ukufaka amathayili
2026 Amstel Arena, the only team edlala e-Arena. Yeah, imighty Orlando Pirates. Yona ebusayo la. I know ayikenya. So yeah, sinyane la igame ayikho game uzoyenjoy ngaphandle kwe Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates is the best. Orlando Pirates is everything. Orlando Pirates uzoyithola e-Arena. Yeah. Ofuna ukwazi Orlando Pirates against e-Arena azobona ukuthi football idlalwa kanjani.
Yeah. You're man of the match today?
Asingakafika man of the match. Abantu kusasa siyemasontweni. Ufuna siyoshumayela ivangeli. Anje nivume madoda lengobe uboshumayela ivangeli, shumayela Ubo shumayele vange shumayele vange ashumayele vange ashumayele vange ashumayele uni shumayele vange shumayele vange ashumayele bafowethu kusatha shozumayela ivangeli ngemighty Orlando Pirates mawuvula nje iBhayibheli uthi kwaba se-Orlando Pirates versus amanye ama-team iyona i-team ebusayo la eMzansi bayeza abanye sazokolekta 3 point yamaZulu sikolekta 3 point yabo lamthutha abayi-2 engeke ngibabize ngamagama bazazi and mangifika ku-Sundowns iBetway vele secacile ukuthi yakabani yase-Arena ngoba futhi ngithanda sisebenzile
game today bro I think tactically Magezi just came here to play nje but then on the first half Paris was all over them but I think next game we should start with this guy the new guy De Jong because Havertz I saw a lot of difference number 9 Arona from the way he started he wasn't there. There were no runs, no Nix. But then as soon as we introduced De Jong, we saw a lot of runs. Yeah.
And then Msendani no Munijwa.
Yeah, he was better, but he still needs to do more. Yeah.
And then Okoko Melon Rele Mufukeng, he was running the show today. Thoughts on him?
Like we still have a lot to expect from this guy, Bruaga. The Manege star. And then, even if, like, Oshabelle movement have more to, even if he doesn't have the ball. The Mane plays so much for the team. And then, Hale on form, the whole team becomes on form. Hasimo form, the whole team becomes off. Ufanoke star, and we have to protect him as a country. They have to take care of this guy. Yeah, he's the future.
Very, very special player. And then, but no money on today.
Home with that man.
Yeah?
First off, yeah.
Yeah?
Home with that man.
Mbata.
Home with that man.
Magani.
Serious. Now I'm honest, bro.
Magani.
I'm very
Mbata ke home.
wa o bolela ka mbatho gore ke kgomo di kgomo di apara ntho tse yellow.
But now you are talking football, bro. Irrespective or defend it.
Yes, yes, we are talking.
And then
Hi, no, Magani. Opa.
I game Brian Ngibone right, I saw it from the first half to the second half, and I was impressed in the first half because of the way we kept the ball, you understand. And if you can check the way we played according to Imagesi. Imagesi, what they did is they tried to compress the field, don't understand. So that's why you couldn't see Abo Rilem Fouke play that much, because there's just too little space until Brian. But now in the second half, because of the quality that Pirates has, we are able to bring on players that are able to, give us a different shape. I understand, and I'm happy for the players that came. Abumlungu, I saw, when he came in, the fans were happy, I even recorded him, the fans were happy.
Beautiful one. Yes. But Magani, man, even in the first half we were too good, man. We created like 2 chances in the first 2 minutes.
Yes.
And then your man of the match today?
My man of the match, Brian, for the first half, I'd say Mbata, because of the way he handled the midfield. He was receiving a lot of passes, and he was also doing what? He was also breaking down play alongside with Makaula. For the second half, I'd say my man of the match, Namtangela, when he came in, I saw a lot of difference, We started to play forward, we started to play those forward passes, so I understand. But I'm happy for the new signings. I'm happy for Umlungu, I'm happy for the guy from Msandami, giving them game time in games like this when we are leading. It's actually boosting their confidence, Abona Brian. So I'm happy for my brother.
Thanks, Magani. Bopa.
Senzo Thank you, mighty. Abutaka ke batla o leboga supporters sa arena. Ke batla o leboga players sa arena. Ke batla o leboga management wa arena. Ke batla o leboga everybody. Kosi, Sandawana, Elifitlile mo le tlo re chelasa. Re tswetse pele ka lena. O ka ba number 2 for 2 days. Rona arriba tlo re wena o be number 2. Rinkile position ya rona and arriba tlase rona. Position ya rona Sandawana pass up for today. We are coming for number 1. It's our position. For Superbet, we are coming. It's ours. Everything is ours for this year. No one will beat us. I just want to say thanks to Botella. Keep it up, Botella. Botella, keep it up. Really, keep it up, boy.
Thanks, Magani. Bopa.
Yeah, no game Mnandi kakhulu sijabulisile. More chances were created. We could have at least scored more than 6 goals, but at least 2-0. It's better than nothing. We are so much happy. Ubonile goalkeeper takayenzanga ne-save. It shows that we totally dominated the game. Yeah, we outsmart Amagesi namhlanje.
Good one, Spusiso. And then thoughts on the lineup, yaga coach namhlanje. Were you happy, or do you feel like you could have made 1 or 2 changes there?
Best lineup, best lineup. Yeah, namhlanje lineup yakhe beyimnandi. Ubonile like from get-go, we came, like we see controller, everything be right. To really a police, umrem, like, yeah, it was nice.
And then who's the man of the match today?
Man of the match, Mzoika, really, I was 17 namhlanje, ukhombisile ukuthi deserved, like number 10, to Zalele Kamnandi. He was all over the place, creating more chances, assist, but we couldn't convert more goals. But yeah, really, we deserve namhlanje.
Really stood out today. He really did. And then Uti John and namhlanje our new signing umbone kanjani?
Tijong usazosebenzela kakhulu, usazoskorela amagoli amaningi kakhulu. Uzofita ku style of play se Pirates simnike nje isikhathi more 2 games. Zabe right, yes.
All right, no thanks Buddha. Bopa.